It's Christmas, and well, actually, it's not actually Christmas. It's July the what is it? The July the 9th, and I have no idea what day it is really because I've been locked down here in this room for the past 6 weeks, and I do believe that was. Only 2 weeks after the last 6-week lockdown, and well, it does seem like it's been 2 years here, and it might as well have been. Anyway, it's Christmas, and I can tell you it's Christmas because I just got a Christmas present. It was locked up in the customs shed for the past 6 months because it was 0.4 millilitres over the limit, or was it 4?
0.4 of a litre.
0.4 of a litre over.
Or 400 mils.
Of 400 mils. 400 millilitres over the limit, which is sort of next to nothing. I think that's a glass of something or other. And it was alcohol. So a friend of mine, a Miss Lajko, who lives in Glasgow, thought it would be good to send me some Scottish whiskey for Christmas, to celebrate Christmas. So we're going to celebrate it today. If I can open it. In fact, it has been opened and resealed. So I'm just wondering whether the customs officials had a Merry Christmas. They must have found some whiskey drinking people. In fact, that was the greatest fear, that it would turn up with having them drink the 400 millilitres before they sent it on to us. But apparently, after applying for a liquor import licence, I could then pay the duty for this, which is grossly over the limit. But here we are. I have got 2 bottles, if I can get them out without dropping them, because that would be a tragedy. And I do believe that they are, there you go, Nevis Dew. And I'm sure that's the finest Scottish whisky on the planet. And Nevis Dew with a blue label. So that's the special reserve with a red label, and that's just the blue label. So,
and there were supposed to be 2 glasses.
And there's 2 glasses. That was. I was going to ask them to, well, at least send me the bloody glasses, I was going to say. And now then, why I couldn't have just paid the duty without having to send away for a liquor licence in triplicate with 3 USB stick drives with copies of the actual form that I filled in on that as well. I do not know. It would have been so much easier for them to do that. But look, they've even sent me the boxes in which they came in. So there you go. Rather warm whiskey. And we are now going to make a whiskey sour. No, it's not going to be a whiskey sour. It is going to be an old-fashioned. That's what we're going to have. Since we can't do a travel video for our travel video YouTube channel, I'm doing a travel video from one room to another and make a cocktail. A teaspoonful of sugar dissolved in a little bit of water. Right, Angostura bitters. Orange peel.
Yes, just the zest, yes, none of the pith. Just 2 pieces. Okay. Oops.
Ice cubes.
2 in each glass. As many as we've got.
Right, blended Scotch whisky.
Well, it's actually Bourbon whisky is the one they seem to prefer.
We haven't got that, have we?
No.
We've got Nevis Dew.
Okay, let's see.
Nevis Dew.
Nevis Dew.
Nevis
Okay.
Dew. Right. This is
Just one jigger.
right. This is poured down the side of Ben Nevis to
That's
soak up
For
all.
me, that's enough. Whoa,
all
whoa, whoa,
the
whoa,
peat.
whoa, 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 whoa. You know, I don't really like whiskey.
Right. Is that it?
Yep,
Is that all?
yep. Give it a taste. And this is Lawrence giving us his impression of a drunk Scotsman.
In slow motion. That is very nice. There you go. So Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas to Maya, who sent it to us and caused
Wait, do that again. Cheers.
endless trouble to get it out of the customs
And cost.
and cost. Yes. Yeah.
So what's your conclusion?
What's my conclusion? That's very nice, actually.
Okay.
Right. Yes.
Are you going to sign off?
Yes, right. Now then, this is yet another pointless vlog of our travels in Malaysia. And since we haven't been able to travel anywhere other than from one room to another, it's probably even more pointless. And it's a Christmas toast in July. So there you go. This year is just completely upside down. So don't forget, subscribe for some reason or other, and like, whether you like it or not, and hit the notification bell, because there will be more inanity, I should say. It will become more and more inane as I drink through the rest of this bottle. And sometime, I'm sure there's going to be another travel video sometime going on, and but our big venture is going to be when we go back to the UK, and we'll be doing more videos about relocation and all that nonsense. And I think what else? Oh yes, there's going to we're going to put all our a write-up of all our research about the travels of Isabella Bird throughout Selangor and Perak and Sungai Udong is going to be on my website at lawrencegray.net. So explore that and read stuff up and look at the pictures and all that sort of nonsense. Plus also just do endless stuff on the YouTube. So there you go. Bye.